How to show highlighted comment. To begin, I added a video and an image of a comment to my timeline, and I want to show this comment as a highlighted comment. For now, I just delete my comment. Create a new adjustment layer with default settings and drag it above your video and adjust its duration. Now go to Effects panel and search for Gaussian blur. Drag and drop Gaussian blur effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls. Now move the playhead at the start, and click on Stopwatch next to blurriness to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set blurriness to around 40 and make sure the repeat edge pixels is checked. This will create the second keyframe. Now our video gradually going to be blurred. Move the second keyframe closer to the first one to increase the speed of blurriness. Now drag the comment image in third track and place it where the below video is almost blurred and adjust its duration. Also, double-click it on the preview window and change its size or position. In the Effects panel, search for Drop Shadow and drag it into your comment. With your comment selected, go to Effect Controls and increase opacity, distance, and softness until you get a nice shadow. Now move the playhead at the start of the image and click on Stopwatch next to Scale to create a starting keyframe. Then move the playhead a little forward and increase the scale value to create the second keyframe. Then click on the triangle to go to the first keyframe and set opacity to 0 and click on Stopwatch next to it to create a keyframe. Go to the next keyframe and set opacity to 100. Now our effect is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.